I know you've heard of double-decker buses, but I bet you ain't heard of a double-decker destination trailer, and this thing's bigger than some New York apartments. Imagine waking up to some football with this amazing view right here. Tons of visibility right here in the master suite. You cannot beat it. We got our king bed right here, and it is a versatile. And we got lights on both sides. In case we want to do some midnight reading, can do that. Got outlets all around. We got tons of storage in here. Boom, boom, and boom. And you can fit a massive TV right here if you wanted to, because we got the hookups right here. Tons of counter space. Fit a big leg TV right there as well. Here's our wardrobes. Boom, boom. It's even got a rack up there to hang all our polos. More storage underneath. Then of course, destination park model. We got a washer dryer hookup right here, and it even is so tall, you'll have more storage after you put that in there as well. AC controls, and then there's our versatile bed controls. And as we walk through this coach, you will see how big this thing gets. First of all, we got our bathroom right here. One piece. It's very nice. Even a seat right here. And you can use this to shower off if you like. Nice vanity over here. Window, tons of storage. More windows, tons of natural lighting right here. We got central vac right here. Super nice. It's going to keep our coach clean. Even's got a little flip in case you wanted to just sweep it in there. It's going to take it away. Welcome. Welcome home. Love these arches. Get you a real nice homey feel right here. Barn design, residential right here in our galley area. We got 4 burners and a residential style oven. I mean, I could fit them there. Microwave right here. And storage all around it. Bam, bam. Very nice. Love the little touches they put on all the slides right there. Here's our residential fridge right here. Boom, with the freezer. More storage over top right there. That's over shoulder deep right there. One piece sink. You can do a lot with this. And then there is even the cup cleaner right here. You just take your cup, put it upside down, pss, clean. We got more storage on the other side of that. They mixed the island with the table. Really nice design right here. 4 people can sit. You can even add another 1 or 2 seats if you'd like to. Where we're gonna have our dinners and everything. Our L-shaped sectional couch is super nice, and this will even lay down to a bed for more sleeping, but you're not gonna need that when you see what else I got in store for you. And right to the right of that, we got our massive pantry. Check this out. Let me move that seat because we're gonna need some room. Look at that. Opposite our L-shaped couch, we have a massive electric space heater, aka the Fireplace with effects. TV right here. We even got a JBL sound system. Super nice. Hang some pictures right over there. Really make it feel like it's at home. And I love all the accent lightings they put in this coach. Really nice touch. And then, wow, we have arrived. Here's our back patio with the ceiling fan if it gets a little too hot. We got our gray stone grill right here. You can fit like 16 patties on that thing. Hot dogs, whatever you like when you're grilling out at the tailgate. We got our fridge underneath right here for some beverages. And more storage on the other side right under our sink. And this thing does have those JBL speakers we were talking about. You're going to be the MVP of the tailgate and or the campground with this one. Walking back inside, told you I had a treat for you. double-decker travel trailer, destination park model, got it going on. Here's all our controls right here. There's a lot of buttons, it's a big one, I'll tell you what. And then upstairs, here we go. I'm 6'2", I do gotta crawl a little bit, but I get around fine. We got our TV right here. We got our table right here. Cool thing about this is they put a drop down in there. So even though I'm a grown man right here, I'm sitting upright right here at this table. We can play some cards, have a little game night, what have you. Tons of space, so much room for activities, you know. We got more storage devices right here. Wildwood is known for putting these kinds of things in their campers, and they stow right away. Makes it super easy to pack up or unpack after our trip. And right here, we got a nice big mattress with outlets all around. It's actually pretty comfy. They usually just put little mats in here, but they gave you a real mattress up here, which is super nice. We got tons of storage right here. We got lights. We got outlets and USB connects right there. And I know a lot of y'all are wondering or thinking, man, it must get hot up here. And you're right, but when we're plugged up and everything, we got an AC right here in the bunk room as to not make hot dogs up here. Outlets more on this side, double USB and USB-C. Keep it futuristic, y'all. Still tons of visibility, natural light in here, but we can put it down when it's time to go to sleep as well. Now we're on the outside of this humongous 42 veranda. This thing is coming in at 44 feet, 11 inches long, and just over 14,000 pounds. It's a beast. If you got a truck to pull it, you're in room for a lot of adventures. Take a walk around. So it's got double awnings, bang, bang, as you can see, gets you a lot of shade. And then we can really see all the windows that they put in on this coach to give you that natural light on the inside. We love it. We got manual jacks right here on it, which I like the manual jacks because you don't actually have to totally have it level when you pull it in. You got an impact driver, boom, they're electric, or you can manually do it and level it right to perfection with no hassle at all, no need to rehook up or anything like that. We got our steps right here, dual entry. As you know, we got one in the back. For a beast like this, you know we gotta have the bang, bang, bang triple axle right here. Love that. We got our TV hookups right here as well, and it's gonna be under one of those dual awnings right here. Get us a lot of shade. TV's not gonna get rained on. Again, this one has 7 points of potential contact. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7 back here on the patio for triple the stability right here. This thing is electric, the patio is, so it can slide in, so make sure you're not over 45 feet. We got slide toppers on the slide, which is super nice, especially if we're gonna be sitting for a little bit and or even moving it around. You don't have to get up on top and sweep out all the sticks or sweep the debris. You just pull it right in because that slide topper has your side protected. Storage right here, dang. We got a little traveler with us. That thing is a monster, and he's sitting right on bang. If you know, you know. Tankless hot water heater. He just wants to take him a hot bath. He's not gonna get that chance today though. 50 amp service, of course, this is a beast. Got our fresh water connection, our city water connection. Gotta have this black tank flush. Make sure we're all sanitized, no stinky stuff around here. Outdoor shower right here. Low point drain. More storage right here. Beautiful new Forest River logo. Here's all our specifications right next to it. If you're looking for a mansion on the road, we got you. It's the 42 Veranda. If you want to see this camper or anything else like it, come on down and see us. My name's TJ Edwards. My number is 256-755-0500, and Bankston Motor Homes is here for you.